लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. These are the words said by Sri Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Today's assembly program is presented by the students of class 5A. Everyone searches for paradise, but not everyone knows where to look for it. But surely the people living in India know where to look for it. They are living in it. It is our beloved motherland. It is our beloved country, India. Now, to all of our paradise, let us take pledge with Sakityan. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to plants and animals. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you, Sakityan. William Wordsworth said, "One impulse from a vernal wood will teach you more of a man, of moral evil and of good than all the sages can." Let's hear thought for the day by Joshita. Thought for the day. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Meaning, life is full of problems. If we balance them and not giving up, we can move ahead in our life. Thank you. Thank you, Joshita. One day you will become who you want to be. Preparation for that day starts today. Let us build up a vocabulary to be that person. New word is presented by Gopi Krishna. Today's new word is sternly, sternly, sternly. Its meaning is roughly, roughly, rough. Sentence. The Maharaja commanded the minister sternly and walk away. Thank you, Gopi Krishna. Updation is constant, so let's keep ourselves updated with the news by Pavanya, Harishwaran, Sri Hariraj and Mithun. Today's national news. According to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the new union budget of India will contribute to the development of nation. The new union budget increases the Home Ministry's budget by a little amount, while the census budget is cut in half. According to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, using a one-stop solution for tax calculations, each person's PAN card will be used for KYC. Thank you. Today's international news. African leaders have Russia summit without grain deal. Decoupling from China is merry an illusion, says French Finance Minister. Russia take Ukraine informed war into video games. Thank you. Today's sports news. This year India will be the host for ICC World Cup 2023, which will start from 5 October 2023 to 19 November 2023. Moscow stands South Korea to play first ever Women's World Cup victory. Weather report. Today's maximum temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and today's minimum temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. The climate will be cloudy. Thank you. Thank you, friends.